All right, there she is, Rocinante, 2023 Jeep Gladiator JT Mojave with now, yes sirree, 50,000 miles. 50,000 miles, and she is been quite a dream. Quite a dream. On the original Falcon Wild Peaks, yes, I've already got 50K out of them, but that's about it. Time to get some new tires. Perhaps BF Goodrich KO3s. Don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm probably still going to keep the 33-inch, but I might do 35s. Don't know just yet. Don't know just yet. I love this truck. Towing a single axle trailer. The wife got 16 miles to the gallon. I just towed a tandem axle trailer with about 5,500 pounds. 2 adults. And we got just a little over 10 miles to the gallon. This thing is doing 14.7 overall, just shy of 15 miles to the gallon. Not great on the gas, but that 3.6 is awesome. No tick, however, we do regular oil changes. We do them ourselves. And this thing is a champ. This thing is a champ. I still love her so much.